Now to the latest on the coronavirus pandemic. The state of Florida is reporting nearly 4,300 more cases and 57 more deaths linked to the coronavirus. More than 1,100 of those cases were reported in Miami-Dade, Broward, and Monroe counties. There were also 8 more deaths reported in South Florida. The number of cases in Miami-Dade schools is also on the rise.
And tonight, the United Teachers of Dade is sounding the alarm, saying that 200 students and 17 teachers at Miami Senior High School are in quarantine because of exposure to COVID-19. CBS 4's Karli Barnett is following that story for us in Miami. Karli?
Elliot, Lauren, Miami-Dade Public Schools explained this quarantine procedure is all part of the process that they've had in place since the beginning. Obviously, 200 sounds like a really big number, but they're only displaying 8 cases at Miami Senior High School on that Miami-Dade Schools dashboard. So as we learned, those numbers don't reveal the whole picture. The United Teachers of Dade tells CBS 4 that around 200 students and 17 teachers at Miami Senior High had to quarantine because of possible exposure to COVID-19, something that has UTD President Karli Hernandez-Matz concerned.
We're trying to shove thousands of kids into a school and hope that although they're asymptomatic, that this is not going to spread. Unfortunately, what we do know is that it does spread, and it spreads very quickly. And we're seeing that as schools are being quarantined, classes are being quarantined, and we continue to close and reopen schools.
She says these numbers were reported to them by their so-called building stewards or UTD representatives at the school. On the Miami-Dade school dashboard, it shows there are a total of 74 employees and 177 students across all schools with COVID. Miami Senior High has the highest number of reported cases as displayed at 8. While they could not comment on the specific number in quarantine, a Miami-Dade school spokesperson explains this is done as a precaution. A student either self-reports or the Florida Department of Health reports the case. The district school health office and Florida Department of Health work together to begin contact tracing and notifying those who are in contact with the student. For example, if they play a sport or ride the bus, then they're told to quarantine for 14 days. The Miami-Dade Public Schools Office of Communication says the district COVID-19 dashboard is not intended to be a real-time system for tracking self-reported employee and confirmed student cases. Families and employees should not rely on the dashboard to learn about the cases in their school or work site. They will be notified of self-reported cases at their school or work site well ahead of that information being populated onto the dashboard. A spokesperson from Miami-Dade Schools put some things in perspective here, illustrating an example. So say one student has 6 class periods a day and there's about 20 students per class. That's 120 students that would need to go into quarantine already. So the number of those who have tested positive for COVID, as you can see, does not necessarily indicate the number that have to go into quarantine. For now, live in Miami, Karli Barnett, CBS 4 News.